thank you so much for making us able to reach milestones and just get this award. Because without you guys, we would not be here. Couple Joe, it's only Couple Joe as long as you guys are listening to that. So, thank you. So, lahat po sigawan!
Hi, Josh! Hi guys, thank you so much for celebrating every milestone with us. Sobrang mahal namin kayo. Wala kayong pinalapas na moments with us. Kaya love namin kayo. Love you guys!
What's up, Joas? Maraming salamat po sa hindi nyo sawang pagsuporta sa amin. Very grateful kami kasi we just released this album early this year, tapos hindi namin nakalain na we're gonna wrap up this year ng ganito. This is a very big celebration considering na nagsimula lang kami sa mga classroom namin. And ngayon, nasa BGC tayo pare. Celebrating our milestone as the #1 artist of 2025. And that wouldn't be possible without you all. Kaya maraming salamat, Joas namin. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. I love you!
What's up, Joas? Dami niya. It's been a great year and we're very grateful na kasama namin kayo sa taon na to. We're very grateful na kasama namin kayo sa end ng taon para mag-celebrate. Ayun, and we're looking forward na makasama kayo after all more years. Love you, Josh!
Hello, Josh! Thank you kasi malungkot kayo at pinakinggan niyo yung multo. And dahil din doon parang feel namin connected kami sa lahat sa inyo. Kasi pare-pares tayo nang nararamdaman. Kaya whatever it is na pinagdadaanan nyo, lagi kami nandito and yung music namin para sa inyo. And alam din namin lahat kayo nandito para sa amin kaya sobrang thankful kami sa inyo guys. Love you all. Thank you.